So Sunday night we kicked off a brand new series that we're going to talk about this month called What's Next. Talk about life after salvation and how we can continue to grow closer to God through our daily walk with Him. We talked about how this is the most important spiritual habit in our Christian life. But building new spiritual habits is really difficult, but it's important, and our future self depends on us building this spiritual habit. One of the greatest helps in building a new habit is doing it as a group, and that's what we're going to do this month. We're going to tackle this spiritual habit as a group in the YouVersion Bible app. There's a reading plan that we're doing together, and the link for that is in the description of this video or on therefugesm.org. And it's not too late to sign up for it. We started it yesterday, and it's going to keep going for this entire month. So if you want to do this together, make sure you check out that link and you start this spiritual habit together with us.